Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing a ready WordPress environment and obtaining the AI service key. Once you have a staging site, install the chosen AI plugin and paste your API key into settings. Make sure to set permission scopes, rate limits, and any billing alerts so you won't be surprised. Next, enable required PHP extensions and test a small request. Once done, verify responses in the plugin's log to confirm connectivity before moving to content workflows. You now integrate AI into your content workflows by mapping content types and choosing where AI assists, posts, pages, or meta fields. Then, create prompt templates, include tone, target audience, and length limits so outputs are consistent. Make sure to wire AI outputs into SEO fields and alt text automatically. Also configure autosave and revision frequency for generated drafts and set moderation rules to flag sensitive or low-quality AI content. Once configured, you finish by defining a production publishing flow, review, edit, assign approvers, and schedule outputs. Once live, monitor API usage, costs, and quality metrics so you can tune prompts and limits. Make sure analytics capture CTR and engagement. If something breaks, first check API quota, response errors, and plugin conflict logs, then roll back changes or disable the plugin temporarily. Finally, validate editors, training so humans catch hallucinations, and ensure reliable, compliant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.